You may have heard that all dentists are just alike, and to find one, all you do is pick one from your dental insurance plan's website. But what if that's not good enough for you and your family? How do you know the dentist that you choose is going to offer you long-lasting, conservative quality care? How do you know the dentist is going to be a conservative in diagnosis and not just tell you every single time you come in, you need another crown, you need more fillings? How can you make sure that that dentist is going to offer you choices? And how can you make sure that that dentist really cares about you and your family and not just their own convenience and bottom line? At HealthPark, we're award-winning because we're doing all of this and more. And you don't just have to take our word for it. We have received awards from the AAAHC. That stands for the American Association of Ambulatory Healthcare. We got that award because we keep patients safe during significant procedures. For example, we bring in a pediatric anesthesiologist who uses IV sedation so that kids who are terrified of major dentistry can sleep right through it with no problem at all. We've also received awards from the Ohio Partnership for Excellence and Quality Dayton. These two organizations really focus on organizational excellence, leadership, and customer service. Because of applying for and being involved in these awards, we measure how successful we are at, for example, keeping our patients healthy. We measured, and the last time, I think it was just a few months ago, we found that our kids that come to us regularly, 89% of them don't have any treatment need at all. And our adults, 80% of the time, no need for treatment. You can't get that kind of success by just picking a dentist off of that list. I hope some of these pieces of HealthPark just make sense to you, but there are other things you should know so you can choose the right dentist for your family. The first one, how do they coordinate with specialists? At HealthPark Dentistry, our general dentists and specialists, well, they work together. Do you want a solo dentist all by himself trying to figure out, could he extract your tooth or should he refer you to a specialist? What about that same dentist trying to figure out how to handle your upset 4-year-old? Did he just take a course on ortho and now he's saying, sure, I can do braces on your teenager? You know, in our group, it's just plain different. Let's say Dr. Pearson, one of my general dentists, is concerned about that same extraction. Well, he can easily talk with Dr. Hamal, our periodontist, who has excellent surgery skills, and have her take a look at the x-ray. They can talk about the best size and design of implant for you. They can see and talk together in the same office. In fact, he can schedule the patient back into the practice on the same day Dr. Hamal's here, and the three of you can sit down together and work together to make sure that things turn out the way you want. You can tell by simply having a group of specialists and general dentists working together, the quality of care is simply better. Another thing you should know to choose the right dentist for your family, you should find out, do they share patients and do they peer review each other? At HealthPark, twice a year, our general dentists get together and formally check each other's treatment to make sure every x-ray, all of our clinical notes, the health history forms, and even prescriptions were done accurately by every general dentist, the hygienists, and our higher trained dental assistants. A third thing that you should check as you're choosing a dentist, how does the office help you with benefits and finances? Dental insurance and patient financing are becoming more and more complex. You need a practice that understands how to get the most out of your benefits and is going to work with you to spread out the cost of dentistry. In fact, one of our secretary team's full-time job is to help you with dental insurance. When you come to HealthPark, you have the added advantage, we get to wrap all of the dental needs into one financial arrangement. That includes general dentists and specialists. Plus, we can then set up special payment plans designed just to fit your budget. Now that you've learned how to choose a dental practice from watching our video, I invite you to come schedule an appointment. We would love to meet you and get to know you and your family. I also invite you to come and spend a few minutes on our website. We really believe the more you learn about HealthPark Dentistry, the more you'll find that this is the right place for you and your family. I look forward to meeting you. If you have questions, feel free to call me. And I hope that we can become partners for a lifetime of healthy smiles. Thanks.